Do you want VO3 free and VO3 fast free and unlimited? I can show you a method.
Do you want to create unlimited VO3 videos for free? No login, no credit card, totally free. Let's go.
Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on Arif's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get unlimited VO3 video credits absolutely free, no credit card, no login required. Just copy the prompt I provide, paste it in, and you'll be able to generate videos easily and for free. Let's get started. To begin, open any web browser on your computer and enter Google Cloud Skills Boost into the search bar. Press enter, and from the list of search results, click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the official Google Cloud Skills Boost platform. Please search for Generative AI using the search bar. Then, scroll down and select the option labeled Generative AI with Vertex AI Prompt Design. Simply click on it to proceed. It will redirect you to the lab section. In here you can see it free. Now click on Sign On button. You will see a form like this. Sign in with Google account. Now, start the lab. It may take a few minutes to start, so please be patient. Please open the link in a new incognito window of your browser. You will need to accept Google's terms and conditions. Once accepted, you will be redirected to the Google Cloud dashboard within a few seconds. In the Vertex AL section, select Media Studio. Then, click on the Video option. Here, you can generate videos using VO3 free of charge. In here you can see two new video style VO3 and VO3 Fast. Now, simply copy the prompt I generated earlier and paste it into the input field to generate your video. The video generation process takes just 1 to 2 minutes. In this platform, you can generate unlimited videos without any watermarks or logos. Each video is produced with a professional finish, complete with audio and sound effects for a polished experience. For every prompt submission, you'll receive 4 video outputs at once, giving you multiple creative variations to choose from. This makes it an excellent tool for content creators, marketers, and educators looking to quickly produce high-quality video content. Using this platform, you can generate videos freely with VO3 Model or VO3 Fast. Simply input your text prompt, choose your model, and initiate the generation process. In just 1 to 2 minutes, the platform delivers 4 unique video outputs at once, allowing you to explore multiple interpretations of your idea instantly. In here you can generate unlimited videos without any restrictions. This makes it a powerful, cost-effective solution for producing professional content on demand. Let's see the video. Just click on the 3-dot icon and click Download to download the video in your computer. Now, I'm going to create another video. This time, I'll set the output to generate 2 video results, as the number of outputs can be customized. I'm duplicating multiple tabs to generate an unlimited number of videos in a single time. As you can see, I've duplicated 6 tabs, which means 6 videos can be generated once. Now, I'll copy the prompt and paste it into each input box across the duplicated tabs. I'll repeat this process for each tab to generate multiple videos at a time. This method is especially effective when working with high volumes of content or when testing how the same prompt performs under different conditions. By leveraging multiple tabs, I can speed up the production process and maximize output without waiting for each video to finish one by one. It's a practical workaround for increasing productivity when batch processing is not natively supported by the tool. As I mentioned earlier, it only takes a few minutes to generate each video. Now, let's take a look at some of the videos I've created. In my opinion, each one turned out exceptionally well. As you can see, the video quality is truly mind-blowing, crisp visuals, smooth transitions, and impressive rendering. The level of detail and realism in each clip highlights the capabilities of the model I used. It's clear that this tool delivers high-quality results that can easily compete with professional-grade production. As I mentioned earlier, this video is truly outstanding. The visuals, flow, and overall quality exceed expectations, making it a standout example of what this model can produce. Now, let's take a look at a few more video clips I've generated. With this method, you can create an unlimited number of videos easily. Now, I'm going to generate even more videos by simply copying the prompt and pasting it into the input field. The VO3 model will handle the rest, quickly generating high-quality results. The process is simple, efficient, and incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're creating content in bulk or experimenting with different ideas, this platform makes it easy to produce as many videos as you need, without any complex steps or technical hurdles. Please use this method responsibly. While it allows you to generate an unlimited number of videos efficiently, it's important not to misuse the platform. At the moment, it seems this method is not widely known, possibly even unnoticed by the developers. If it becomes too heavily exploited, there's a chance it could be restricted or permanently disabled. So take advantage of it while you can, but do so wisely and ethically. Generate as many videos as you need, but always respect the platform's intended use and community guidelines. It's an excellent opportunity for creators, marketers, educators, or anyone needing rapid video production. You can take full advantage of this method to test concepts, create variations, or scale up your content output. Just remember to act ethically and respect the platform's resources. The goal is to benefit from the tool, not to break it. So go ahead, create as many videos as you need, but do so with a sense of responsibility and consideration for the long-term availability of this resource. While this method is highly efficient and convenient, it's important to remain mindful of how it's used. Overuse or automation at scale without control could potentially compromise the stability or fairness of the platform for other users. If too many people begin exploiting this system without limits, it may force the developers to implement restrictions or even remove the feature altogether. For now, this workflow offers a rare advantage, one that allows for streamlined video creation with minimal effort. But with that convenience comes a shared responsibility. Using it wisely not only helps you maximize its benefits but also contributes to keeping it available for everyone. Avoid running excessive tasks that may appear as abuse or bot activity. Maintain a reasonable pace and consider the bigger picture. A sustainable, respectful approach ensures that tools like these remain open, accessible, and useful in the long run. Now you can generate unlimited videos completely free, no login, no credit card required. It's user-friendly and accessible to everyone. Please don't misuse this method. I'm Arif, and I'm always here to bring you more helpful and practical content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next video.